Welcome to Chain Reaction by Capital Copilot, your daily dose of the latest in cryptocurrency news, market insights, and blockchain trends. Let us get started. Despite corporate treasuries stacking Bitcoin and calls for a return to foundational values, the price of $108,390 remains steady. Major hacks have set new loss records while innovators explore NFTs and altcoin funds. Institutions such as BlackRock, Fidelity, and MicroStrategy buy real Bitcoin through spot ETFs and OTC desks, yet price remains stable. Most trading uses paper Bitcoin IOUs masking actual supply changes. Large holders quietly offload to new buyers, while coins flow into ETF custody, creating scarcity without a visible breakout. Sightbringer called it a controlled ignition chamber, restraining volatility. On the governance front, Cardano founder Charles Hoskinson proposed converting 5 to 10% of its treasury into Bitcoin and stablecoins. The plan uses time-weighted average price orders on OTC desks to limit market impact. Cardano supplies 35.36 billion ADA with 2% annual inflation and trails peers in DeFi metrics. Yields from this sovereign wealth-like fund could repurchase ADA to boost demand and stabilize price. Horizon Labs CEO Rob Viglione urges a return to crypto origins of fairness and accessibility. He cites Bitcoin Yearn Finance and Uniswap as fair launch successes, free of pre-mined allocations and insider enrichment. A Masari report found fair launch tokens gained around 300% over 90 days, compared to 112% for top assets. Community governance and sustainable funding structures, he says, drive long-term value. Mythical Games launched FIFA Rivals with NFT player cards on the Polkadot-powered Mythos chain. Players swipe to control actions in a simplified turn-based match, but repetitive pack grind and pay-to-win dynamics hamper engagement. Epic packs cost about $34 and can unbalance play for non-paying users. Bloomberg analysts place approval odds above 90% for Solana XRP and Dogecoin spot ETFs after Bitcoin and Ethereum funds amassed over $100 billion. Traditional investors may hesitate as altcoins lack brand recognition and pose complexity hurdles. Strong derivatives trading hints these ETFs could see notable flows once live. A TRM Labs report says hackers stole a record $2.1 billion in crypto in the first half of 2025, with nearly $1.5 billion traced to a February breach of Bybit after a developer laptop was compromised. North Korean linked actors accounted for about 70% of losses. Estimates of Iranian Bitcoin mining are unclear, with figures ranging from 60,000 to 200,000 coins, valued between $6.4 and $21.4 billion. High energy costs and bank mandates drove most operations underground, like discovering a secret dungeon in an old NES game. Thousands of illegal rigs strain the grid. That is a wrap for today's edition of Chain Reaction by Capital Copilot. We hope you are feeling more informed and ready to navigate the cryptoverse. Until next time, keep your digital wallets ready. This podcast is automated by artificial intelligence and is for information purposes only. Nothing stated constitutes legal, tax, investment, or financial advice.